Week 2013. Today is Video Day and Mobile Video. And I have here Ashish? Ashish, okay. Didn't want to get that right. With an interesting program, an interesting product called Alphonso. And we were sort of talking prior to going on air here. And it's very, very interesting what you do. And if I understand it, you are inserting advertisements while I'm watching a television show, no matter what app I'm running.
That's correct. So Alphonso is the platform that enables brands who are advertising on TV to connect with consumers on mobile devices who are in front of TV with their mobile devices.
So I'm sitting at home watching television, and I'm doing something totally different on my mobile device.
That's correct.
But I'm in some applications advertisers support it.
Exactly right.
Then what happens?
So what we see is a very massive trend is in every living room there is a smart device. There's an iPhone, an Android, an iPad. All these devices come with apps that are already ad supported, and they show banner ads or interstitials. Some might show video ads. What Alphonso does is brings the context of TV programming, TV ads that they are exposed to in these apps, in the context of these ads, and then enables these ads to become interactive to the TV ads. So just giving an example, if you were watching a Toyota ad on television and you're on an app, say an Angry Birds or Candy Crush, one of the games, and an ad unit shows up, now this ad unit could be targeted to the Toyota ad, and so it could be a full page interstitial which will show how it works.
Let's take a look. Yeah.
And it then allows you to use the context of location and other things and make it far more relevant. You can click on it, it's like clicking on the TV ad.
That sounds fascinating. Let's
take a quick look at how this works. We have a 30-second clip here that shows the product in action. I'm going to run this in full screen mode. So this is how we are sitting in front of living room, sitting in the TV, having an iPad, playing a game in there. And as you will see, this person is playing a game. And in the game, when there's an interstitial to show a full screen ad, this ad has now got the context from the TV. It was a Volkswagen ad. Not only that, it picked up that it's running a #GetHappy campaign. So now you can enable a tweet related to that television ad from this actionable device on mobile, get the user encouraged to tweet out or like the brand or get a coupon in front of the user as a brand.
So I don't want to get too technical because we could probably have a lot of fun doing that, but what's happening, if I understand it correctly, is you're monitoring all the national feeds.
That's
so
correct.
You know when the national ads are appearing.
That's
and you have some code that lives on all of these devices that detects that ad, and then at that point sends a command to say, by the way, this person is watching. Is that the way it works?
You got it right, Greg. That is exactly how it works. Alphonso is the largest corpus of television ads. We essentially get it from the air, and we have the biggest corpus of all television ads. Not only that, for every TV creative airing, we know what brand it is, what sub-brand it is, their web presence on Facebook, Twitter, or YouTube. We bundle that and create an index, and we bring this context to a large number of mobile apps that the users are already using. And
that's important. They're already using it. I don't need a special app for this.
That's absolutely right. A lot of people have been doing different things with smart TV and connected TV and second screen. What we believe is that a platform approach is needed. And so what we have done is essentially build it in a way where any app developer already gets an access to that. There are a large number of apps where we are already deployed. So we are able to now bring the context into that app, and then also on another app that might be using, say, an exchange to show an ad, because the context of this ad exposure flows through the existing mobile ad ecosystem and comes back as a targeted ad unit. Brands love it, agencies love it.
And I imagine the consumer, I mean, I'm in the market, for example, to get a new car this fall. And so if I saw an ad for a car I was interested in, and that popped up and when I was doing something else on my machine, I could tap on that, and that would automatically, at that point, bring me more information on the car,
exactly.
So I could get more. That's the way
that is absolutely right. So you start off with a very simple unit that fits in with the existing mobile ecosystem. It's a banner ad, it's a full page interstitial, it's a video pre-roll. But as you sort of peel the onion here, you see that it can be an interactive ad unit. It could be extension of the brand message, walking the consumer from the awareness funnel down to consideration, down to actual purchase. We might be selling cars through the apps, who knows, but being able to make those ad interactive and clickable.
Just get me a good discount at the dealership.
There you, exactly you go.
Thank you very much. Very appreciated.